The previous day we read about active to passive voice of the assertive sentence. But today we learn how to make active to passive voice of interrogative sentence. Because interrogative sentence is critical than assertive sentence. How to make a rules structure of interrogative sentence to change active to passive voice. So let us read about interrogative sentence active to passive voice. Okay. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Definition of interrogative sentence. A sentence which asks a question is said to be interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Definition of this sentence. A sentence which asks a question is said to be interrogative sentence. How many types of interrogative sentence? It is only two types of interrogative sentence. I mean, it is two types. Yes or no, no types, and WH type. Both two types of parts of interrogative sentence we read in tense, and also we read in active to passive voice. How to prepare a rules structure of active to passive voice of interrogative sentence. First take yes or no type. Yes or no types, and prepare a rules structure of yes or no type. Rules structure. First of all, we write helping verb, do or does plus subject plus main verb first form plus object plus AT question mark. It is active voice. It is active voice, and then change into passive voice, and then change into passive voice. What will be the rules structure of yes or no type? Helping verb is, am, are, subject, object change into subject, and subject change into object plus subject plus main verb third form plus by plus object question mark. So it is prepared as the rules of passive voice of yes or no type. And then take an example. For example, for example, does she complete? Does he complete his project? Does he complete his project? It is helping verb of the yes or no type interrogative sentence. Subject he, helping verb does, main verb first form, and this is object of this sentence. Object. We read about the passive voice. When we change active to passive voice, at this time, first of all, what to do? Object change into subject. So after that, according to rules of the tense, we use helping verb, and after that the third form of the verb, and then by preposition, and after that subject change into object. So take our object of this sentence, his project. His project change into subject. Before it, you are looking here, on the board. Does is helping verb of this sentence. So what is place of a does? Is. What is? Is. Is his project, his project completed. Third form of verb is always used in passive voice. Is his project completed by him? So active voice change into passive voice, and is his project completed by him? It is prepared in passive voice. So we read interrogative sentence, and I told you what is definition of interrogative sentence and how types of interrogative sentence, and after that we prepare a rules structure of interrogative sentence, active voice and also passive voice, and last we take for example a sentence, does he complete his project, and change into passive voice, is his project completed by him, and we take the next sentence of active voice. He writes, does he write a, an essay? An essay. Does he write an essay? And change into passive voice. What is the place of does? Is, because object of this sentence is singular number. So helping verb is used singular number according to its subject. So an essay is a singular number subject. So helping verb is used also in singular number. So what will be helping verb? Is. Is used, is suitable for the subject, An essay is singular number, and so helping verb is used with the subject. Is an essay written by him. So next sentence of active voice of the interrogative sentence, yes or no type, prepared into passive voice, is an essay written by him. So it is very, very simple. Only we know which type of sentence and which type of tense is given in the use in the sentence. After that, we can prepare. First of all, we prepare a rules structure of active voice and passive voice. Because in the paper exam board, you have given a sentence to make active to passive voice, or its opposite. It can be given you. It can be given you a passive voice change into active voice. In both types, in question paper, the question are asked in the board paper. So, first of all, we recognize which type of sentence is given and which type tense is used in the sentence. After recognizing, we can change into passive voice easily. So, you recognize this sentence is written at the board. Does he write an essay? You recognize which type sentence? Present indefinite tense. And which type sentence? Yes or no type of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. So when you change active to passive voice, first of all, helping verb used helping verb is used according to its rule. If you are reading present indefinite tense, present indefinite tense and the sentence of interrogative sentence. So at that time you should know which type of helping verb is used in this sentence, active voice and also in passive voice. So active voice, present indefinite tense, do or does is helping verb are used in present indefinite tense. And when we change present indefinite tense, assertive or negative or interrogative sentence. At this time, we use helping verb is or in passive voice sentences. So, like this is an essay written by him. First, active voice, does he write an essay? What is difference in both sentences? Does place of is, write change into written, extra word by before the object. So you can easily prepare active to passive voice easily if you know the what is the rules of the sentence and tense. If you know clearly, so you can change active to passive voice very easily. Note this.